The Constituent Assembly was set up in 1945.
No.
The Constitution begins with a preamble.
Yes.
Indian citizens enjoy the right to vote.
Yes.
Indian citizens enjoy fundamental rights but not a fundamental duties.
No.
Every citizen does not enjoy the right to express his or her views. Every citizen does not enjoy the right to express his or her views.
No.
The President of the Constituent Assembly was
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
the Indian Constitution came into force on
26 January 1950.
how many fundamental rights there in the Constitution?
6.
Right to education is given to children aged between
6 to 14.
क्या?
Yes.
When a citizen is given the freedom to follow its own custom and tradition, it is known as
Cultural and educational rights.
the Indian Constitution begins with a dash which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly.
Preamble.
All the people are equal in the eyes of a law in a democracy. This known as the
Rule of law.
dash means that the country has no monarch to rule over it.
Republic.
The Indian Constitution prohibits children below the age of 14 years to work and is known as
Right against exploitation.
The Constitution is the highest dash of a country.
Detailed law.
Match the column. Directive principle of state policy.
Guideline for making
Rule making body
making body for
of a government.
Of a government.
We can practice any religion.
Right.
Fundamental
right.
We must respect the national anthem.
Fundamental duty.
Secularism.
Security. Freedom to practice any religion.
Compulsory education.
Right
To education.
to education.
Answer the following in one word. The Indian Constitution was drafted by the
Drafted by the
Constituent Assembly.
Constituent Assembly.
The right where there should be no discrimination on the basis of sex, religion, or place of birth.
Right to equality.
The rights which were suspended for some time in the year 1975.
Emergency.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights.
Some important principle for the government to follow is called directive principle.
Directive.
How much the time was taken by the Constituent Assembly to draft the Constitution?
2 years, 11 months, 18 days.
18?
18 days.